Welcome to Kids Fun TV 20. Hello kids. Today we will clean, wash and identify the animals. So let's do together. Kids, can you guess this animal? Yes, this is a tiger. The tiger is a big and powerful animal. It has orange fur with black stripes. Tiger lives in forest and jungle. Tiger. Kids, can you guess these birds? Yes, kids, this is a crane. The crane is a tall bird. It has long legs and long neck. Cranes live near water and wetland. Crane. Kids, can you identify this bird? Yes, kids, this is a peacock. A peacock is a colorful and beautiful bird. It has a big, bright, tall, and eye-shaped spot. The peacock is the national bird of India. Peacock. Kids, can you guess this animal? Yes, kids, this is a cheetah. A cheetah is a fast and spotted wild cat. It can run very fast to catch its food. Cheetahs live in grassland and savannas. Cheetah. Kids, can you guess this animal? Yes, kids, this is a giraffe. A giraffe is a very tall animal. It has a long neck to reach the tree leaves. Giraffe lives in African savannas and grassland. Giraffe. Kids, can you guess this animal? Yes, kids, this is a cow. A cow gives milk for people. It has big eyes and a friendly face. Cow live on farm and grassland. Cow. Kids, can you guess this animal? Yes, kids, this is a polar bear. A polar bear is a big white bear. It lives in cold places with lots of ice. Polar bears swim in the sea and eat fish. Kids, can you guess this bird? Yes, kid, this is an eagle. An eagle is a strong flying bird. It has sharp eyes and strong claws. Eagles fly high in the sky and hunt small animals. Eagle. Kids, can you guess this animal? Yes, kids, this is an elephant. An elephant is a very big animal. It has a long trunk and big ears. Elephants live in forest and grassland. Elephant. Can you guess this animal? Yes, kid, this is a camel. A camel lives in deserts. It has a big hump on its back. Camel can walk a long time without water. Camel. Kids, can you guess this bird? Yes, kids, this is a parrot. A parrot is a colorful bird. It has a strong curved beak. Some parrots can talk and repeat words. Parrot. Kids, can you guess this animal? Yes, kid, this is a goat. A goat is a friendly farm animal. It has horns and a small ear. Goats like to eat grass and leaves. Goat. Kids, can you guess this animal? Wow! Yes, kid, this is a horse. Horse is a strong animal. It can run very fast. Horse live on farm and grassland. Horse. Kids, can you guess this animal? Wow! Yes, kid, this is a zebra. A zebra is a black and white stripes. It looks like a horse. Zebras live in African grassland. Zebra. Great job, kids. Today you clean, wash and identify the animals. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe Kids Fun TV 20. Bye bye, kids.